Hello, dear viewers. Let's recapitulate the chapter when Granny wanted a lemon. It is written by R.K. Narayan. It's a very beautiful excerpt from his storybook Malgudi School Days. In this chapter, there was a boy, Swaminathan, a little naughty good boy. As soon as he reached home, he heard his grandmother calling him for a bit help. He felt sympathetic and pity for her. Grandmother was suffering from stomachache. She wanted Swaminathan to go to the market and bring lemons for her so that she can drink them and get relief from the pain. But he was getting late for his playground. It was his daily routine to come home and go straight into the kitchen, grab some food to eat and get dressed for the playground. Today also he was following the same routine, but his grandmother wanted him to sit beside her. She tried to make a deal with him. She gave him 6 pies and she wanted him to take 3 pies for lemon and 3 pies she wanted him to keep in his pocket. And was all set. But Swaminathan thought that it would take a long time to go to market and bring lemons for her, so he rejected the deal. He threw those coins onto the floor. It was rude of him. He later realized his poor behavior. And in hurry, he just left the home for playground. Although the old lady tried her best, she talked to him diplomatically, sensitively, yet the request was rejected by her grandson. But after the match, when all went their home, while returning home, Swaminathan too was face to face with himself. Now the thought of poor grandmother came to his mind. He was feeling guilty. When he was playing, he was just absorbed in the match, but now he was thinking of aching grandmother. He was imagining what would she be doing. Would she be groaning, crying in pain because of stomachache? Now he was feeling guilty for himself. He was full of fear. What if his grandmother, his dear grandmother, were dead? What would he do? As soon as he reached home, his usual routine was to go direct into the kitchen and disturb the cook to give him food to eat. But this day, he was not much concerned about the food, nor was he hungry. Rather, he was more concerned about his dear old grandmother. He went straight into her room and looked at her fixedly. He did not move his eyes from her. He was feeling her pain. And in a very weak, low voice, he asked her, "Granny, did you get lemons?" And until she answered, he was filled with so many fears. What would she say? Would she ever disown him? Would she swear on him that she will never see him again? Or she will scold him, snub him, because of him only she had been suffering pain. But nothing happened like that. As soon as he asked a question, he put a question in front of her, she answered it immediately. That, "Swami, it was good of you that you didn't bring any lemon. Your mother had already kept a dozen of lemons in the kitchen." Seeing this, hearing this, Swaminathan was overjoyed. He was filled with satisfaction and got relieved from tension. He was pleased to hear this, that his grandmother had got a lemon from his mother. She got relieved from the pain and now she was feeling better and healthy. After seeing his grandmother healthy and talking to him lovingly, he too was very pleased. He too was relieved of the guilt. All his tensions, fear and anxiety They just disappeared at once. Thanks for watching the video.